Thank God they can never die. Ruba suta ruwe suta chame mina wedu hawe wene. Obu awu nobu opabo yoko. Ogame seminulume seminulume nudagwe mukanofo nudagwe mugedege. I surrender.
You know I'll sleep tonight, so after this live video, Nigeria now come see me. This is my last live video for now. Nigeria, here I come. Eh? Eh?
Arreglioli galu. Arreglioli galu. Ala gelu poco. La ropa remia la guayere la sayu quiero. Arreglioli galu.
Eh? Esa oye.
Arreglioli galu. Uwana rielu poco. Honorable remia la guayere sayu quiero. Esa me va a dar mujer. Arreglioli galu. No puedo elevar mucho. Poco. Honorable remia la guayere sayu quiero.
When I'll come back, I'll go see Olivier. I'll go flex. Yeah. Nigeria, I'll go flex. Yeah. Olivier one. Yeah. Eh? Dada, eh? don't dey hear all, but I like all of the music. I don't dey hear all. Rather, when you wait, make I lecture my people. When you wait, eh? So, my people. This is your lady Mary Edo's Diamond Lady, the Lady of Truth. Yeah, now me, all in one. Yeah. Many of now they happy say they demolish Kabaka House Hotel. Many know they happy. You where they happy say they demolish that man hotel, eh? Where your house where they beneath, eh? How far house where you use plenty money to build, eh? How far for the house? You defeat the enter there. Not be your family member just take over the house for your head. Is that not a shame? Eh? Una no dey even dey think una life. Una no dey even dey think una own thing, una own personal thing. Things wey don happen to una for life, una no dey think am. Una just put that one for aside. Una just dey carry person yo gbeg. Eh? Your family member take over your house for Benin, brother, sister, you no fit do anything. The only thing wey they do for inside house na cry. They follow native doctor place they go. Person hotel with the demolish and your own at the same thing. You way they say yes, they do and where they do. The regular who we say when already do. Oh God, I don't. I said me I come mock now small. I said me I come carry on go back. More na see think una life. More na see cry this night. Some of una get 4 flats, 2 blessed, big house. Now no they go there. Eh? Your family don't use charcoal, take paint time, window don't rust, door, everything, money where you spend, put. What if the difference of the one with the demolition your own now? Now the same thing. You not get house, you be get to, but you be like person will not get. You dey think that one self. You dey think at all. Eh? My begging ya. My begging. Eh? Me go there here they fight for una say una family for Africa they destroy una. They destroy una. I know say na truth I dey talk. Eh? Now they even they sit down they think and say, ew, na truth Mary Edo's they talk. So, ew, which kind of life be this one? House where you use big money to build, eh? It go just there like that. You know they get money from there. You know they get anything from there. The house is just there like that. Now you will come out for show me that the talk pass. Instead, may you find solution to your life. Instead, may you find how you will take settle with your family. Our family back home, they are not bad people. They are not bad people. How many of them they follow na family they play? How many of them talk with my family? More na talk truth. Majority of you guys, you and una family now they talk again for phone because of now know what happen now Europe. Eh? God forbid one family where I get say because of Europe matter and now confident they play with them again. We know they talk again. God forbid. It's a slap on you guys' face where be say you and your family now they talk again. Now they talk again. May I tell you, we not get another family. Now only one family now we get. Now they hear me so. You know they pay una say una family wanna gather grow up your house, that time una back home in Nigeria, the one they play together, one they eat together, una mother, una father. Una know they talk with them again. Every time I go back, una know they think, una know they sit down, you know they pay una for night. Say, ew, a family member, now you give me family. Many of them not get family again. I they lie. But all of them come there for social media. They cause a presenter a problem of one now. Presenters. Nobody say me you not do live video. All of them they hide. Hey, I not fit to. They will cost me. But una no want use ITC presenters. More una they see presenter like go be like so na want you die. What the presenter do you? Now presenter make you and your family know they talk. na presenter cause your problem, what be atemota? Rather, na we dey come dey help una. See, they know they see another family. If you know, say you not dey fine with your family this night, make you think as they listen to my, as they watch me, so they talk. Think how you will take settle, because now you where you dey Europe and I go fit bring those people together. Yes, because now you fair cause and where everything scatter. Now see you the same person go fit settle everything. Una know they do all these things so. Una go just live una problem. Look for where the post social media presenter video put. Now go sit down there the course. Useless woman. Stupid man. Enter house. You know the shame. They the rest of those people. Oh God, don't give a baby. When market that way, your personal life, your private life, you know just the think am again. Social media presenters, if una no start to dey thank us for what we don't do for una, una life no go ever better. Yes, because we dey try for una. We dey try for una. This thing don't say make una not follow those people that they cause their fellow social media presenters. So they not get topic. Me topic is full. I know get that time to come out they cause presenter like me. No. I too big past that level. Topic ijabrata. Advice equal. Consider. If you useless. Say let's nene. Just that what Mr. Dofik ben. For what now? Say I not get topic. I dey mad. Now shame for me. I don't feel do all those things before I consider and say what thing I dey do so. Which kind of nonsense be all this one? When I get many things to come tell my people. If you you there for this Europe, you and your family, una not dey talk, una dey quarrel, instead of you to dey write for social media, they cause presenters, find how you will take settle with your family. Family is supreme. Family is too nice. Ew. Family magbe. I mean na ya get family wagbona. Now they hear me so. So look for how you are going to make amend. Just look for a way to settle your family, to make them as in make everything make it be like the way you felt be for the way una felt be for house before you enter Europe. Many of una they fear to even go in Nigeria now. I don't want that. I don't want that. God forbid. Why? Why? If you carry your head down, as in you make them understand, you talk to them, as the business now you the Europe, that family will be one again. Now waiting me do to my family, let me tell una so. I not say use them to do live video. As in look for a way to settle with them. Because I dey pity for una. God order me. Let me tell you guys, I cannot live without my family. Never. I dey tell una nana, never. But most of una not get family again. Una not get family again. Now live video come dey console now I dey live video. This one they ask me say wetin I dey present. But you are here, you know they hear. You and your family una dey in good things, una dey talk, una dey play like before. I know they present anything. No, I know they present. No, you present. No, I dey joke. Which kind life be that one? Make una try to settle with una family. Now here, now una dey Europe, now first scatter that family. So now you also go physically bring that family again together. Native doctor no go help you, my brother and sister. Pastor no go help you. Now you go do the thing by yourself. Try everything. Try. Now yeah, if they pay me for now, if they pay, say you not get family again. Wanna try. Now yeah. This one where just then they go, hey, families are bad, families are bad, Nigeria families are bad, my people are bad. Make you try. They are your family. You know, can't use my family to do your family. Try, okay? Now they hear me so. It's better for you to start looking for a way how you will take settle with your family than they enter social media. They call for people live video. They cause that presenter what then they cause. When you know say you get your own for body. I know say na depression they cause for na body. I know. Say not be ordinary eye. Person wey normal no fit carry phone they cause presenter. They call, they put when you be say you get many things where you have to prepare for your family. Sister, brother, think about your life and leave other people. You cause live video presenter, cause us go reach 1 million year. Nothing go change. You not go change your life. Your life will still remain the same like that. You not get family. Person will not get family for this life, not be life today. You don't die. Now they hear me so. Person will not get family. You don't die, don't finish. That your mama, where the thing say na evil mama, bad father. There is a way you will go home, talk to them. That woman will become an angel. It's the mentality that make mama to become bad. Is your mind get area. Now you will go happy here and papa. Tell them, but no, they know all these things. Now, when you go house, the thing what you supposed to do with your family, gather your family, not be you go to do gabu. Now that one they send you. For you to go to do gabu for people in Africa, their mentality is low. You understand me? As they do all those things, you they dig your grave. What thing you go do as you reach us gabu, leave for one side first. Before you do gabu, you go fit go now. For my family, I'll just do like this. They will just laugh. They know everything about me. You know, they not kill me. But you did not bring your family together first. You did not tell them the way you suffer. You did not tell them how you make your money. You don't talk with them. You just go. They do say you to get. Now you, make them they respect you. They not go respect you. They go define how they will take you because you not bring them into the game. You understand me, brothers and sisters? So make una find how una take settle with una family. It's very, very important. See, they pay me for una. Say, now some people don't they talk now. Say, Mary those when they go Nigeria, you did too much. You did okay with the family because your family, you come from a good home, your background good, your family good. Who tell you? Now me repair my family. Now me remove that thing. When they take the disturb person for Europe, now me remove them from their head. Now me by myself do one. Make una see do one for una self. Now they hear so. Now they come social media, cause they comment nonsense. They cause social media presenters. Mama me no masi you by beka kaki kobo. Rather in my own in my help wa. Now they hear me so. We want to help you guys to become somebody, to be happy. We want to put smiles in your faces. On imagine. Or when we came and I said, my mind will tell because we would be pity for you. And they hear me so. So if you know that you are not okay with your family, you are not okay with your family, try and settle down with your family, okay? In Nigeria. If I dey house already. You dey say make I enter house. I dey for house. I dey house, sweetheart. I no go follow your comments. Now this thing wey dey write, now they kill your depression. Now they make your head dey good. I go let you because as you dey write now, you go dey kill your depression. You dey fine, you know. I want write more. Okay, write more. Write down. I dey help you. They say make I enter house. Now help I dey, my dear. You dey hear me so? I have hurt myself already. I don't help myself. I'm telling you the truth. Now before, as you go write this comment, I say they create, I go block you. When I never know, say, some of you are depressed. I will dey shout. I will dey vex. Now I don't know, say, this comment, this red dead wey they put now, it they make the depression they leave you. It they melt you. Yes. You they put down. That depression is going. I command that depression to leave you right now in the name of Jesus. I command the depression to leave you right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Free from depression. Free from depression in the name of Jesus. It's good. You see, you don't they think for inside her since. You don't they think. You don't know what you want to do. As you ask me for life, you just want to pour it. It's good. It will help you. It will help your depression. It's good. Put it. I like it. So that you'll be fine for me. I don't want me to go through a cloth, they run, they go. As they put the red head now, it's good. If to say I come here now, I open this platform. I say, Mama Lovely, come here. Today, I will finish you. Mama Paika, come here. You go, they say, right down. Maybe it doesn't make me like you. You know how to deal with these people. Oh, God. I am here to help you. I will not do those things. I felt doing that time. I don't know, say no good. As I'll come and they cost my own precious live video presenters. For what reason? What thing I see? I know they do. We they come out, can they help them? Now here, so I know go feel come out, can cause them so that maybe you can they like the video, maybe you can share. You dey hear me? You see, you don't sit tired now. You go they look one place. Boy, you no come put it there again. Hey, when I go Nigeria, na me raise alarm. I say, hey. Una money they go, please. Me want know what now they do. Make I enter house. Enter house. See you. Make una see us now. Stay good with una family. Some una they go house. Some una they run from una house, una home from Nigeria. Now here so. Now better thing I tell una so. Yeah. Mona know how una take do all these things. Mona think what I tell una so. Now here it go help una. Because person will not get family again. Now depression. Now make una dey find live video when I want watch. No, now just see the live video like this. Now not go watch now. That depression wanna get now. Una come the curse. They put red dead. The curse. It's okay. Do it. We are here to help you guys. We as some of now the craze, now when they come out, when they give una medicine. So I made the craze they come up on our body small. Now here we don't help on our well. I they go Nigeria. If you know say you want carry something come, go give them for store for New Benin. Yeah, go give them for store. Now till next week Tuesday. Now we'll collect things reach. They hear now. Now this week till next week Tuesday. Now if you put something reach for New Benin. Yeah. If you want carry something, go store. Maybe you want bring cream, come. You want carry food stuff, I don't know, whatever. Anything for Nigeria, you want carry and come Europe. Inbox me. Shebi una know my number. Una know my number be +32 46 59 52 177. WhatsApp number. WhatsApp me. May you carry and go there. Yeah? So you see, mental health not there for here, so not there for this one. I come here to advise you people, and I come back to advertise my travel, that I'm traveling. If you have something to bring, I'll bring it for you. Kilo na 10 card. Enter house. Enter house. How long you don't go Nigeria last? When last you don't go Nigeria? When you even get some of na get document to you go. Wamari de Gbejo, Wamari Leva. You want to come and tell me to enter house? I'm here to help you, okay? I did here to help you. Yeah? So now so the one wanna be the expert now I say when am I going, when am I coming? I know the third person because na plane at the enter, so I don't want my plane go tumble. Even me look bania be saloba by me. So I'm gonna use saloba bo. Near we do ted the hiakba ted the hiare ya iwe uploading or I will mirror those is no more. Amen. I don't fit my people, yeah. So if you have anything, just carry and go nipini. Just WhatsApp me, then I'll, if you defend my WhatsApp number, enter inside this my platform, my page, enter, scroll, go down, scroll, you go see my WhatsApp number. It full everywhere. Even go Facebook, if you come up for page self, go diamond, you have my Facebook, my number there. You hear? So not the same, make at the enter inside house again. Yeah, may you pray, may you be like me. They hear me so. If you never, if some of them wait that they watch me and pass me, when I get too much investment, yes. Say your fingers are not equal. If you pass me, it's okay. Some of them just day here now. Why you fiete? So pray, pray so to see reach where I did. Yeah, and God will bless you. Not they look me because say you don't frustrate, say enter house. Where I want enter house. As I find it, so me I enter house. I there house already. They say make I enter house. So now you my people. And if you see get something where you want to carry go, like phones, you know what see late oh. You know what see late. If you see carry your phones, come now, tablet, or rapper. Yeah. If you see carry and come now. See get 1 week. 1 week if you carry come. This my brother way right now he say in the fine you want sherry. You want sherry. I can't say maybe 50 euro, you can't run. But me I call you now, you say make I leave audio message for you. You call me, I don't know, call again. You hear Brasami, call again. Now make an atem what thing when who are living and no you don't tell know what you are. Oh God. You funny way. Yeah, not good about Nigeria. What is not good about Nigeria? What is not good for about Nigeria? I don't know. So then they fight their people for us. You just come up for us, come Europe finish. Your family, you just they fight with them. Ha! May you make a med though. See, if you not get family, na crazy with that too. You know, see person to talk to again. You know, see person follow gist. Which can life with that one? I know fit to now make me as I just deal with my family. Now me see suffer gather them again. I know I be settled. We can't be like 5 and 6 now. Make una. How now sit do now the way me they do say do our own. Now see una they see the way I be so the way I they shine so because I not depressed. Anybody way see say it be like this, not to say make that person enter her or that person not they present. You know they see as I fresh like this, pray may you be person way they you know if you fresh like this so you know if you fresh like this. When are you going to you say I'll go Nana ya what na here Nigeria gbe we say if I not tell you when I go Nigeria no better I know they talk bring the things come I don't tell now say 1 week if you want to bring things to Belgium 1 week If you want to go and drop something at New Benin 1 week like this, now me know when they for my tickets. Boju now I want do now. Boju akara gay. If I'm gonna like young so that you get one woman where they carry things, they go Nigeria. The woman they live for Brussels. Yeah, Brussels. Now that woman they among of the people who they die for a degbe moto. That one they say her neck just her head just cut. That woman they carry things, they go Nigeria from Brussels, Belgium every time. I not say in your way or what my bomasha or a setting. Now they understand, but in your way set to me so. I come Facebook. When I see the day where they come out, they go Nigeria. When I see the day where I want come back. I don't get anything I take head, babe. Now God. Now let me and God. Now make me be very, very careful. When I see this our God then, they watch everybody. But if you not do something for your hand, the man who man have a head be. So boy you boy here to back. God they looking. So as intelligent person, you have to help God also. You have to help God though. I tell you now. You get children. You go just take care of the children. You say, God, now you give me the children, they take care of them. No. You have to do your own first as a mother before God will now come help you again. Now, so this life be So Sonny, if you want bring something come Belgium, phones, tablets, bring them come now till next week Tuesday. If you want to carry come Europe, go live on for New Benin. We get 1 week. Make una not say that and dance. Say 1 week. That means you want travel so. I trust you now well. I need to call you, make we talk. I understand you. Now, fear and security matter. Don't tell me, oh, he said, Timon, agbona rien gbe. Awa wo video. E mo ya ye je boto. Oh na. Most people what they don't like me. They don't like me, but even though they don't like me, listen to what I'm saying. If you have problem with your family, try to settle with your family. Family is too good. Family will kill your depression. Family will make you happy. Family will make your skin fresh if you are okay with your family. Or your wegi soto, yeah. Now you know. You not settle down with your family. You can't tell me say life the presenter as more enter house. Go and settle with your family. We have 1 week. Nigeria, here I come. I like Nigeria. They walk here and I grab a moving. I don't like you again. Me too, I don't like you again. When I come back, me and Ivenive will go see. Hey, my flesh, me and Ivenive, my flesh. You want to paint the town red? But there is not good about Nigeria. That is why I don't like to go Nigeria. But Nigeria not good. Not be there you there before you travel. Everyone will go we can travel. I dey tire for na me. The way they born me. Ibe irijo iwaje. Iwaje. Ah? If me dey Nigeria, mama go dey say, hey, feko, feko, feko. I don't dey care. Ekeni meka kinzelele ne awoka. Idu amoha. Wow, fair rice. Fair rice. Eh? I can't dey fear to go there. More I forget that thing. I go my country anytime, any day, man. I dey fall in Nigeria anytime. I can't dey fear for here. You keep person. Like Baba wa. Eh? You not like me again because I say me and if you want flex. We want to flex together. Me and Vivier. Hey, edere onyogbe. Edere anyogbe. A live video see. A live video viewers nyaga is a gay. Egbe iwenya. Mary Edos. If you see my friend Evelyn, where have you been? A long time. Now another one I carry come. I say if you know, say you dey Europe, you not dey fine with your family. Try to settle with them. Try to settle with your family. Since when I settle with my family, and my husband help also. Now they understand that kind of thing. Now I can't dey fresh like this. Now they say, try to settle with your family. It's very, very important. Okay. All right. Try to make yourself happy. This life, we have one life. Why are you at that mat? Why are you saying, hey, I'm a single mother. I go stay like this. It not concern anybody. Hey. It not good though. It go rust. It go swobu. It go swobu. Oh. Why? Why you no want do the do? Eh? Do the do. You go happy when you do the do. Is stress free. Stress free. Nobody will give you an award if you are a single mother. Nobody. You are just killing yourself by yourself. True to God. Be happy. Okay? Stop calling on live videos, putting contribution. Ogun wa gbe live video presenter ni. Oh wow, wow. A live video presenter ni. Or man may not see there is something wrong because you know they do the do. When I never settle with my family and I never get my husband, I go just enter. You dey craze, stupid. Ogun kill you. You write bad comments here now. I will say you are depressed. I will even pray for you. You when you write this comment, Ogun go kill you. I go kill you today. Useless person. You stupid. Now lie oh. Now because say I know they do the do. Now they make me the verse. I no get happiness. I no get husband. As I did now, when I was tough finish, I know say my husband suffer there for inside bed. Suffer there. Yes. I'm very, very happy. Why you don't want to be like me? Why you don't want to do the do? Why? Do the do. That is why I want to see Vivier. It dey ginger me. Saloboa. On your side me hana mi vie. Mami egbe ni ma flex. So you see when no what ni we enemy ere enemy ho ekwedu amuwe. You the narrate person say they do the do. You know they do the do. Person where they narrate the fresh. She did mwah. You when you just the narrate that person, you go just cause finish after enter house go they cry. Why are you doing it? What is it? What is it? I don't understand. God. Oh God. If to say I feel make una happy, can't distribute me for una, I for do am, but I don't have the power. I know the medicine to you ladies that call on social media and be causing presenters. I know your medicine. Now do the do. But everybody is doing. No, I too clean. God give you that thing to do the do. God is not angry if you do the do. Me, wetin concern do the do, I know this until they play. If I carry one, before I know my husband, I get the one where I carry. The do not good. Now, on I me eating ya fresh. Now you go. I beg. Why now not be like that? Okay, if you carry one, you not do the do well, you not good. You not go fit change, or the father of your children, you not do it again. You just can't do like that. Can't they carry your stress they put for our body? Can't they carry your stress they put for presenters body? Why? Why? Don't do it again. Okay? Life is very and you the presenter that is coming out to insult another presenter, try to get somebody to be doing the do. Do no wa do ni na once in a while ni only do the do. Try to day together with do the do on your mercy. Where get la do a table ne presenter. We agwa. Level go change. You can't even when you go to remember those things what you've ever do before, you can't shame. Because now you are much satisfied if they show for your body. Bros. You can say that again. Hey, Salobua. How where did you do? Oh, if this, me, I want to go and visit Ivini. We are going to Flares. Me just right there. Holiday. 1 day, 2 days. I was normal. Whatever time or where maybe I don't know, but I never know how it could be sha. Na party would they go? Me and Ivy. Get one party with they invite them. She can't see invites me, you know. Yeah, one go flex that party. Yeah, I go make sure say I do the do with my husband. Where before I will go, I will satisfy. Yeah. I can never go that country called Nigeria. All people over there na mumu. They don't like their self. Yeah, but that is where you were born and brought up. I dey lie. You not stay there. Not be there then born you. Why they talk like this? Even though said that be mumu, if you train them, that mumu will come for their head. You don't know. No run. Don't run from them. They are your family. Oh. I cannot take you as my family. Oh. I don't feel put you for inside my family. No. You have to stay with your family. Family is the best thing that can happen to you. Apart from your husband, your children, your own family again. Your father, your mother, your siblings. Oh my God, it's very sweet. As now don't grow now. Now they talk about the way when they small. That time when they small, those things. And it is sweet. Okay? So now my people, if you are a single mother, it's not good. Do not stay like that. Yeah? Not they look me like this, say this Meredo spoil. What do you say I spoil? God create the thing. God create honey pot and the joystick together for this life. No how na wotona go like this, go the other side, go. Na lie. Una no go fit change. It don't dey there already. That do the do must go on. Nothing. No, una no fit stop am. Emma highway we do the do ya we do amuya. Oh we near do me social media o. Near do agame. Ija, what did they happen? Wait till they stop. Now they see the one how they behave. Now because now they do the do well. And not be the one way You get boyfriend, you dey see am once in a while. Only get depression, man. Oh, I was in there because we are yaure, eh? Why? So what do I owe? Hey, double wahala for dead body. You don't go do come. You come ask, come to think about that guy again. Say, oh, man satisfied. Man satisfied. Oh God, you come to love the guy. You come as in you don't come settle again. You don't come even take care of your children again. I'm not lying. And they look me. Try to have a partner together. Stay with your partner. You're going to shine. Those live video presenters, whether they open their platform, they insult presenters. After they're not going to see you now again. Don't say, where are these my people? Whether they call for my live video, come they follow me the course. They don't say your level don't change. You don't they do the do. Your depression don't go. Now because you get depression, now make you call the call. You do a gualo where give me where they do ne? We're satisfied ne? Oh, we have ya move where we heal. Whatever ya call it useless thing ni again. Ew, God forbid. Heal. Any of una wanna they call for show, eh? For my med, you are depressed. Nobody with our right senses will go and call on social media presenter and be insulting a live video presenter. Nobody. Omano kun wa so to edwe. Any presenter now we go come out, eh? Come they zuo for social media, they cause presenter like am. No say now the do now be the problem. The do get power. He get power. Oujere, miejere. O si no na fion manike. You dey crazy. You know me. Huh? I get all temper, eh? We know where you from the consistent. It's okay. We understand. It's okay. Hey, Mike and Uriel say my own. Eh? It's okay. Continue to be insulting whosoever you want to insult. Everybody know that. Now the do. Now the problem. What's your bonyak bevani? Wow. What's your platform, okay? Platform. You crazy. Monica, you be useless woman. Monica, husband, the commenters nivel depressed, you have comment the presenter ne make us you only whatever what talo only Walao. I beg, please, eh? The key to all these things is get a man. I beg you guys, okay? I beg of you. I remember when Sinless tell me, sister, we take back baby ndwa we so be dia na. We say me Sinless in my ge o me no so nu. Sinless in my understand. Sinless understand. So say, Emma, hey where? When she go just come out like this, I go enter live video. How come they talk? They curse my followers. Because something is wrong somewhere. Oma deja. When Sinless could they watch me now, she go the surprise, eh? You don't see you are naked now. Mais non, you get the head of your bonnet, my banner. Okay, we are Baba. My life video be 1 year Scott. You tell you. Eh? Those people that call in live video those calls will return back to to them by fire, by force. Don't even say the curse will turn back to them. The curse will not even go anywhere, because though if you can't cause them again now, you want to kill them. Do you know what they are going through? Do you know what is a joystick? Do you know when you don't have peace with your family in Nigeria? Do you know what's that? Madness. Madness. As I'm going to Nigeria right now, my sister is going to wait for me at the airport, man. That thing kills depression. You don't know? Avec maintenant, il doit te live, il y a qui moins, il y a qui joy. The joy faux. Et qui ne me cadre de l'année, bien me cadre de qui ne l'année, mais ouais, il y a non si. Anybody, whether they cause for social media, for you to come out, come inside the back, not do one. Pray for them, make them get joystick, and make them settle with their family. That's just the prayer for them. Pray for them. Don't return the call, so you go swipe anything, so you want to carry a queen. Don't. Pray for them. They are sick. They are sick. This is just the whole hard truth. Don't argue with me. Because there are a lot of good things that we have to say on social media that will motivate people. See, Lolo, na B&B husband just blog, you're the insulter. You're the person who get joy cannot do a thing like that. Never in this life. Allahu ki. She don't. Person wey just there with children for house, no joystick, no man. Maybe for house for Nigeria. What do you expect? What do you expect? Thank you, Desti. What do you expect? You guys that are following them and saying, Super Mama, fire down. Your Super Mama is depressed. Your Super Mama is not fine. Pray for your Super Mama to get a joystick and settle with a family in Nigeria. That your Super Mama, you can't say, she can't change from all those live videos where she did do before. You will be the follower, you can't surprise. You say, Jesus! Oh, what I want change here? There is power in a joystick. There is power in a man. Not only man, woman, not only woman. Men also that come on social media to insult people, to call, and write many nonsense, poor redhead, all those men also. The same thing goes to them. Now you go cook by yourself. Now you go wash clothes by yourself. Your family, una know they talk. What do you expect? The next thing is for this guy to open a fake account. Somebody that is not mad, will not open a fake account and start destroying people with it. It's a meta problem. Person who have joy. A man who have joy will not have time for such nonsense. Am I lying? This is the whole truth. Don't change it for me. This life is beautiful if you have joy, if you have happiness, if you make peace with your family at home, if you have a joystick. I won't leave when I go meet my husband. Time don't go too much. So, Nigeria, here I come. It's going to be my last live video. Now for Lagos, I go do another one. For now, lag. I'll just make up like this. No, may I play without that before I go? Just 5 minutes then. I got it. I gonna mama ya kwa ya table nema. Amen. Eh? When last were you happy like this in your life? When last? Which day? Don't say now. That time when you dey with your father of your children. That time when you and your family dey play. Not be there happy like third fruit. Eh? Yeze no gbe agati wa zo bi si he wa ya se wa ya hunye bo ore ma every good cassava make a woman smile. I am happy for you, Meriedo. I love you. Eh? Now no way from the corner. You dey mad, you dey crazy. Now me dey cause I get my house for Belgium, yeah. I get my house. They crazy. Eh? You know me? Now they will from the country. Happiness is good, man. Oh, we got theory now. Now we're going to Pamula. Yes, Madam, we are telling la video. What you bro? Hey, I got look yam. Okyanima, Nyawaro. Arriva. Bye.